definitely with the different braking systems and just getting the feel of it. The motion was really good as well.
Yeah, definitely. To learn the yard that we would be based in, it was very realistic. The feeling was realistic, and I think it would be really helpful when we're actually in the train, when we're learning all the different brake up and up, and very, very helpful.
Only for a very small amount of time we haven't actually been able to operate a train. To me, it's identical to how actually a train is set up. It's very realistic. All the sheds, LHS, LSS.
Yep, even the salt pile.
Yeah.
Yep, the bridges,
Redbank
the
Bridge.
Bible. Yep, it's all there.
Oh, absolutely. I think it's making it more exciting for us. It's actually making it more real about what we will be doing.
Yes, 100%. Yeah, this is definitely the future.
Yeah, you're totally immersed in that environment, and you forget that you're in a consequence-free environment, and you're trying to do it the way you would normally do it when you're on board a train, because the environment's quite realistic. The controls are exactly where you'd expect them. The train, I think, was responding the way you would expect it to respond with the inputs that you're giving it. Yeah, it's good.
Did you great job for it?